Ride 1 Up distributed the REV1 series, which you see right here, around January 2023. And when that series came out, consumers were complaining about several issues. And Ride 1 Up immediately addressed those issues. I have the latest and greatest REV1 version, and all the updates have been made to it based on consumer complaints of the earlier versions of the REV1. And I wanted to show you the ones that I noticed the most. I'm sure there were other updates, maybe firmware updates that I'm not aware of, but the physical updates to the mechanical aspects of REV1 are the ones that I noticed thus far. So let's go ahead and take a look. Consumers of the earlier versions of the REV1 complained about delivery. They received their REV1 damaged as a result of the delivery process. Ride 1 Up immediately addressed those concerns. When I received my REV1 yesterday, the 20th of December 2023 at 1000 hours Pacific Standard Time, my REV1 did not have any damage whatsoever, and I was very impressed with Ride 1 Up's packaging. I was also very impressed with Alliance Air Freight and Multi Air Freight. They were the two delivery companies that got my REV1 to me without any damage. My front and rear rotors are 203 millimeters. And according to the model number, Ride 1 Up used the Tango 23 model. My REV1 was manufactured with a longer chain. In addition, Ride 1 Up used a rubber guard to protect the frame from the chain hitting it. In the earlier versions, Ride 1 Up used a sticker that went to about from here to here. And that sticker was designed to protect the frame from the chain. Well, the new version is this long rubber piece. And it's a nice update, and I'm really happy with it. I also noticed that the clearance between the chain and the frame is also bigger than the earlier versions. The pedals on my REV1 look different from the earlier versions. I don't know if that's good or bad. This is my first e-bike. I don't know what makes a good e-bike pedal. All I can say is so far so good. I haven't had any problems with these pedals. In my version, I noticed this R1 badge. Romeo 1 badge on the front part of the frame. I didn't notice that with the earlier versions, but maybe I missed it. I just noticed it on mine. I'm really happy with the REV1 by Ride 1 Up, and I'm grateful that my mom and my sister bought this for me as my Christmas present for 2023. I'm really looking forward to a lot of great adventures that I'll have with my REV1.